Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you step by step how to make queso fresco at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare the queso fresco at home, these are the ingredients. I have salt, I have vinegar, apple vinegar. You could use the juice of lemon, whole milk, and these are the only ingredients we need to make the queso fresco at home. So let's get started. I want to start with the 2% milk, and I'm using 2 liters of milk. I'm going to take it to the stove. In medium heat, I am going to be stirring the milk so it doesn't stick to the bottom. It doesn't burn on the bottom. This part is very important. You need to continue mixing for about 10 minutes in medium heat. When it starts getting nice and frothy, but yet it's not boiling, that's when you are going to add your apple vinegar. It really doesn't take too long, but let me tell you, this queso fresco comes out amazing. I'm adding the apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna just whisk. Look at this. You could already see the pieces of the cheese. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna continue mixing until it starts boiling. Once you have everything boiling, and let me show you how this looks, but let me show you that you could really see the pieces of the cheese right on the top. Look at this. It looks amazing, and I am sure that once you make this queso fresco at home, you are going to continue making this amazing, creamy, and delicious queso fresco. Well, now it started boiling. I'm gonna turn off the stove, and I am ready to show you what I'm going to use. I'm gonna use a sifter. I'm gonna use a cheesecloth, and I'm using a small container where I'm going to shape the queso fresco. Now that I have all the ingredients ready, okay, we are going to strain everything we have in our pan. Look at this. We're gonna strain it. Just move it a little bit, and now we are ready to transfer it to a plate. Now that it's nice and hot, because you want to add your salt. This is the best time to add the salt. You're gonna add the salt. You're gonna mix it really good, and then you are going to transfer it back to the cheesecloth. You wanna squeeze it very good to get the excessive liquid out. It's nice and hot. Be careful. I don't want you to get burned. Just go ahead and twist a little bit. Once you've tried and take enough of the liquid out, then you are ready to start molding your amazing cheese. And here I have the little container. Plastic container is the best, because it's going to be so easy to remove it when the cheese is ready. You're gonna really push down to it. Look at this. Push it really good, and then cover it. Once you cover it, put it in the refrigerator overnight, and on the next day you are going to be able to really enjoy this amazing queso fresco. This is a second option. You know, I love spicy food, so I added a little bit of pepper flakes right on the top. I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same procedure, adding it into the small little container, pressing it really good, and of course I am going to put it in the refrigerator. And the next day, I am not sure what I'm going to enjoy with this amazing queso fresco. Okay, let me put it in the refrigerator, and I'll see you tomorrow.
And here, of course, I want to enjoy the queso fresco in delicious tacos, chorizo and beans. Look at this. And of course, I have to make my homemade corn tortillas. And you already have that amazing recipe on my channel, how to make the corn tortillas from scratch. Of course, I am cooking them slowly, medium heat. And once they get nice and fluffy, that's when you know that the corn tortilla is ready. Look at this. You could really see getting nice and puffy. I am going to continue making several so that I could really enjoy this amazing homemade queso fresco. Look at this. Okay, let's see how the queso fresco comes out. I can't wait to reveal how this is going to look, and of course, how creamy and moist this queso fresco is. Look at this. When you use these plastic containers, the cheese comes out perfectly. Look at this. This looks amazing. This is the one with the pepper flakes. And let's see. Let's reveal how it looks from the inside. It's really nice and firm. But once you start cutting through it, you could really feel that it's so creamy and moist. I can't wait to enjoy it. It really looks amazing. My mouth is already watering. And here I have the one with the pepper flakes. Of course, it's gonna be a little spicy, but I love spicy food. But let me show you the texture. Look at this. This looks amazing. You could really see the pepper flakes all around the queso fresco. Well, of course, I had to give you two options. And now I am ready to prepare my tacos. Of course, I'm enjoying this delicious and amazing queso fresco with chorizo and beans, and topping it off with this homemade queso fresco. My homemade tortillas, you can make them at home. You can enjoy this amazing recipe. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this homemade queso fresco. We are going to enjoy it in some delicious tacos, homemade tortilla, beans, and chorizo. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. This is the queso fresco, the regular queso fresco, and let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Nice and creamy and delicious, perfection made at home. And this is the queso fresco with the pieces of chili. Excuse me. Very creamy, very delicious. The flavor of the pepper flakes, just perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing queso fresco at home, step by step, and I am sure you guys are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. See you next time. Bye-bye.